So as you can see, here's the Octoblu flow. There's the function, and as you can see, it's pulling the subject and the sender from the incoming email. This is the connector object. It's going to grab two environment variables, push them together and call the function, and these are the environment variables. This is the bot that's going to post into the Slack channel the output from the PowerShell script. As you can see, there's hard coded to my email address and just with a password of password. Obviously, I wouldn't recommend doing that in production. Here's the NetScaler, and as you can see here, all of the vServers are up and running. So if we send an email to our Octoblu account with the subject line to disable the vServer ADFS, but send it from an email address that isn't authorized, what this will do is it should come into that inbound email trigger, take the username and subject line, pass that into PowerShell using the environment variables, run the script, realize that it's an invalid sender and post that to Slack. So as you can see, it's telling me that my invalid account tried to disable that vServer. So if we now try and send an email to Octoblu from a valid account, this will then trigger the same flow and should disable the vServer on the NetScaler. As you can see, Slack is telling us that that vServer is disabled. If we switch to our NetScaler and refresh the vServers, you can see that the ADFS vServer is now out of service. If we try and re-disable that vServer when it's already down, what the script should do is pick that up, realize that it's already down and log to Slack that that vServer is already disabled. So finally we need to enable that vServer. Subject line keyword changes to enable -vServer. Octoblu picks up that inbound email trigger, processes the script, logs to Slack that the vServer is now enabled. And if we switch back to our NetScaler and refresh the vServer list, you can see that's now up. That's how to manage your NetScaler vServers using Octoblu, PowerShell and NITRO. Thanks very much.